One of the reasons Amazon may be blocking your book may actually be tied to the way you formatted your book. Poor book formatting is also one of the reasons you may not have been making the kind of amount of sales you desire on Amazon KDP. So take a look at this manuscript you are seeing on my screen. This is a travel guide book formatted using MS Word. I'm very sure this is one of the common software that many publishers out there use. Many other people also use Google Docs to do their formatting, but I'm sure MS Word is one of the most common one that many people use to format their. It's easy to actually handle. It's easy to navigate. For a beginner, you can easily get the hang of MS Word and use it for your book formatting. Now, take a look at this. In between this, if you have to act as a customer, between this particular manuscript you are seeing on my screen and this one you are currently seeing on my screen is the same manuscript with this. The same Hawaii travel guide manuscript is the same thing with this, the same content, but you can check the look and the appearance of the MS Word and with what you are currently seeing on my screen, that they are totally different from each other. This has been run through a process, and through that I'm able to come up with something more attractive that if I'm to stand together with this person in market, I'm definitely going to win the customer over this person. So this process is what I call the book interior design, and this is what I do. This is what I offer as a service, and exactly what I teach to many publishers that have reached out to me and my followers on this my page. So this is not just limited to travel guide alone. You can see this is another manuscript in another niche entirely. You can see the professionalism in what you are seeing on your screen presently now. This is a cookbook. You can see this is entirely different from what you can get with your MS Word formatting. You understand? So, and this is exactly what you need to win competitors on Amazon. This is another self-help book. You can see the professionalism in this. This is another cookbook. You can see how stunning this manuscripts are actually looking. So this exact travel guide manuscript, this is another variation of it. You can see the same content, or you can see the difference in between this interior design and the MS Word formatting. There is total difference in between the two. So this and this, they actually cannot compete together in the market. So if you're interested in learning stuff like this, book interior design, follow my page, and if you need any question or any assistance, you can reach out to me by clicking the link on my page.